In the previous videos, we used a lot of joints to help you understand what they are. But in this video, we're going to talk about the problems that come with using too many joints and how you can fix them. For example, when I move my character's arm, the shoulder doesn't move with the upper arm, which makes the animation process a bit harder. Even when I move the wrist, the upper arm doesn't move with it, which is another issue. You need to know that you shouldn't use joints everywhere, and it's better to remove some of them. Let's check together which parts actually need joints and which ones don't. Alright, to start, we don't need the joints that stop other bones from moving properly, so I'm going to remove them. After deleting them, we'll move our bones again, and this time we'll see how they affect the previous bones. As you can see, when we move them now, the shoulder moves with the upper arm, and the upper arm moves with the wrist. But when we move the character's shoulder, there's still an empty gap in between. In the next video, I'll show you how to fix this using actions in Moho. We actually created this issue on purpose so we could make a tutorial on how to fix it. Now, the next part is the character's legs. When the lower leg moves, the thigh should move with it, but these extra joints are preventing that. So we need to remove the unnecessary joints here as well. I'm going to delete both of them, and now when we move the lower leg, we can see that the movement affects the whole leg, which is exactly what we want. As you can see, when the leg moves, some distortions happen, just like the shoulder issue. We'll fix this in the next video as well. Also, there are two joints in the foot that you can remove to make the movement more natural. But later we'll use targets to properly set up these joints in this area. Now that we've fixed the movement restrictions on the bones, go ahead and like the video and turn on notifications, because in the next one we'll be fixing even more important issues.